What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. Today's video, we're going to be going over an update on GreenPower Motors, as well as discussing what's going on with this stock split. We're going to be taking a look into why you should not sell your stocks opening up this week. We'll also take a look into why this company has a bright future ahead of them as they are going after an untapped market. And we'll also be taking a look into what kind of growth this company could experience. And once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel so far. Your feedback is beyond appreciated. I couldn't do it without you. The growth this channel is experiencing is just ridiculous. And I want to say your feedback is very appreciated. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on what's going on with GreenPower Motors and the stock split, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated on all the hottest growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of information that you don't want to miss out. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, so we're just going to do a little backtrack. And we know on this channel, we don't go over any types of penny stocks. I think the lowest stock I've ever gone over was NEO, and that was sitting around like $12, $13. So we haven't really gone over any types of penny stocks. I feel penny stocks are very high risk, but I did bring this one to your attention as I'm looking at it about 6 days ago. And I know you guys have been writing me about, what's going on. There's a, stock split. It's now listed. We're going to be taking a look at to where that solidifies you now if you did purchase that stock during that time frame, okay? Once again, it's okay if you swing traded this stock in the penny stock range. That's not a problem. But if you did believe in this company long term, I feel like you still have a great opportunity if you invested in the last week and held. There's no reason to sell off during open market on a Monday. Just sit back and chill. Like I said before, people have a lot of fear and concern. So just understand, if you truly did believe in this company, there's no reason to sell off if there's a dip. A lot of people are selling off because they're confused about the stock splits. They don't want to lose out on money. They don't want to be in the red for not even a day. Just remember, this channel is all about patience, okay? We understand to not go off of what other people's emotions are. We know to stand our ground for the companies that we invest in because we invest in them for a reason. I would never bring a penny stock to your guys' attention if I felt that it was a plummeting stock in a horrible market with no upside and was going to be nothing more than a one-day swing trade. I would never do that, because I would never invest like that. And I'm one of the most conservative investors as far as limiting my risk. I diversify massively. I never go all in on one stock. And that's the best way to grow your wealth over time, is to limit your risk. So we'll take a look into where this puts you at if you did purchase this stock during that time frame last week. Okay, as of the 28th, Vancouver, Canada, GreenPower Motor Company announced that due to strong demand and its upsizing its U.S. initial public offering to 1.86 million post-consolidation common shares of the company at a price to the public of $20 per share. In addition, the company has granted the underwriters a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 279,000 shares at the initial public offering price, less than the underwriting discounts and commissions. So this CEO, he did go through with exactly what he was saying. He said he was going to get them listed on the Nasdaq, and this guy pulled some strings. I'm telling you, I already knew he had connections when I was reading up on him. He got this done fast. So you guys entered this stock at a great time frame, and I will be getting into the stock split and where that puts you at as far as price points on the stock as of right now, opening on this Monday. They did end up raising the $37 million by offering 1.9 million shares at the $20 range, within the range of $18 to $24, and below the as-converted last close of its shares on the TSX Venture Exchange GPV. GreenPower Motors plans to list on the Nasdaq under the symbol GP. Just remember that. If you are planning on investing, it's GP. And we can take a look at the Robinhood app. As of right now, they are listed. This is ridiculous, the time frame that this company moved forward with the process. It's just amazing how fast these companies are taking initiative to have regular retail investors enter the company to help them grow. So you need to understand, this stock split is to raise capital. Increasing shares is going to allow more investors to invest in the stock, okay? This is going to bring them more capital for marketing, product development, cash on hand. I mean, this is going to help them out tremendously. So you just need to take that into consideration. So when I was bringing up the stock around a week ago, I think the price was hovering around $1.63. And I did tell you guys this looks like a good investment. This is the lowest stock I've ever preached on this channel. Just understand that I do not put massive high-risk stocks on this channel. That's not what I want to do to you guys. I want to make sure we get into multiple growth stocks that have the opportunity to rise over time. Some will not do as well as others, but overall, these companies will massively grow over time. If you put in the years, you're going to see crazy growth. And we also do discuss swing trades as well. You could have swing traded this for close to 100% profit. So I do both. But I do not mess with crazy day trade hourly trades. So when I posted the update about $1.63, bringing it to your guys' attention, we will just use an example if you got in at $1.50 just to make it easier to understand these price fluctuations, okay? I know some people got in at under $1, $2. We're just gonna go with $1.50 because I want you guys to understand how close your price point is still gonna be at that $22 range. Okay? I just want you guys to see that as a fair offering of what they're doing, okay? So let's say, for example, you purchase 1,000 shares at $1.50. This is gonna cost you around $1,500, last week in that time range, okay? A 1-to-7 stock split is what they are currently doing, okay? This will cut your stocks into a seventh. 1,000 shares divided by 7 would give you 142 shares. That's what you will be looking at right now. Your 142 shares at $22 per share currently, as we speak, Monday, listed on the Nasdaq and Robinhood and all the other apps, is going to be worth a total share value of $3,124. So as you can see, if you did get it in that $1.50 range, you are currently doubled up on your investment, okay? You didn't get rich because you bought it as a penny stock. You didn't 10 times your money. You got probably 100% gain. So anyone that purchased in that $1.50 to $2.50 or $2.25 range, you're up a little bit, okay? Just understand that. You're up anywhere from 20 to 100%, which is solid, okay? Let's just say it drops to $11. You're going to just be at that break-even stock price. It's going to be worth $1,500, the same initial value you bought the 1,000 shares for at that $1.50 range. The Nasdaq star price right now is right around $22. We might see a slight sell-off, but most of you are already in early, so there's nothing to really worry about, okay? If it drops to $10, you're pretty much break even. If it drops to $5, we know it's going to recover a little bit over time within the week. I don't think it's going to drop that low. But of course, when people don't know what's going on, they're going to freak out. They're going to sell. People are extremely impatient. There's no need to sell. This company has room to run. Most of you are in at an amazing price point. This is a growing, untapped market, okay? We'll also take a look into the financials. We know they have 3 products that they are selling right now. We got the EV Star, the Beast, the school bus, and the Transit line. All 3 of these are amazing markets to tackle in the United States as far as EV, because these are such early time frames in an untapped market. The EV Star addresses diverse range of markets. The EV Star platform is used for the following models: the EV Star up to 19 passengers, the EV Star Plus, 24 passengers, the EV Star ADA, passenger and curbside lift for ADA, people with disabilities, EV Star cabin chassis for bodybuilders and upfitters, EV Star Cargo, 5,000 pounds of load, EV Star Cargo Plus, 570 cubic feet of cargo space. So you can take a look right here at all the different variations of EV Star. These types of vehicles are tackling different pain points. As you can see, all of these are used for different places in the world today. And it's amazing how they diversified this product so well. The Beast, the school bus. We understand that this is the gold mine, okay? This is the 100% untapped market. This could be a gold mine when schools start to take notice and understand that they can decrease their entire school county's expenses by hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars on fuel expenses. There's over 480,000 school buses in service across the United States. 26 million students transported daily. 6 billion miles driven annually. 823 million consumed gallons of fossil fuels. 15x more likely to be exposed to cancer-causing toxins. We know EV goes for those 2 main factors, okay? Expenses being decreased with fuel economy and making the world a better place, going green. This is amazing because we've been so glued to those, gas guzzling massive tank school buses that we've never even took initiative to go EV on these types of products. This could be the start of change. I mean, this company, they are trying to make the world a better place, and that's exactly what they're doing. As you can see, this CEO is moving quick. I mean, he is moving quick, and I like it. He is taking the initiative. He's getting this company publicly traded on the Nasdaq. They're going to need more money to grow this company rapidly, and that's exactly what you can see happening right now. The Beast gives you more. Range up to 150 miles. More seating capacity. 90 seated passengers. More standard features. Air ride suspension, ABS disc brakes, and pass-through storage are all standard. More safety, purpose-built, optimal battery weight distribution, truss chassis. And we can just take a quick look into the company's financials to see, are they a profitable business? Are they making money? Are they losing money? Do they need money? Check this out. 2018 revenue 3.5, cost of sales 2.2, gross profit 1.2, okay? 2019 revenue 6 million, grew drastically. Cost of sales 4.2, gross profit 1.8. 2020 revenue 13 million, cost of sales 9 million, gross profit 4 million. As we can see, they are headed in the right direction. They are now not qualified as a penny stock. This company is going to get more and more recognition as the months and years go on. You are in at an amazing price point in an early time frame. Just keep that into consideration. This is innovation. This company is tackling untapped markets. There's a lot of room to run, and I hope this just gives you a better analysis of what's going on with the company as we speak right now with this stock split and now listed on the Nasdaq exchange. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you, and I waited to the perfect time to get this out right before the week started just so you can get a little bit of an update. And be sure to leave me a comment. I want to hear your guys' feedback. Who bought in early when I brought this to your attention last week? Who sold? Who held? I want to know what's going on with you guys. Let me know who's buying more. Go ahead. I'm going to be replying back to as many people as I possibly can. And most importantly, only if you feel this video gave you a better insight on GreenPower Motors, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the current spec stocks and growth plays in the near future. There's going to be a lot of great information and you don't want to miss out. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.